Yarn manufacturing process flow chart. Bale management. It is defined as the process of sorting, mixing, and testing of bales according to characteristics of the fibers to produce good quality of yarn at low production costs. Blow room. The section where the supplied compressed bale is turned into a uniform blob of particular length by opening, cleaning, blending, or mixing is called blow room section. It is the first steps of spinning.
Carding and combing. After the fiber is thoroughly cleaned, it enters the carding machine. The carding machine is like a giant hairbrush. It removes any remaining debris not already eliminated during the scouring process from the fiber, while smoothing and detangling it. While the average human hair measures around 75 microns in diameter, most baby alpaca, by contrast, is around 22 microns or smaller. Because the fibers that make up yarn are so small, they need to go through several rounds of carding and combing. The goal is to have all the fibers parallel, which means they are all lying in the same direction and ready to spin, completely free of any plant matter or other debris. Fiber that is ready to spin is called a top or a bump.
Speed frame is the machine where the sliver is subjected to one or more attenuating process to the attenuated sliver receive a small amount of twist and is wound on bobbins suitable for creeling at. Next process, roving is the output product of speed frame. Ring frame. Ring spinning is a system of spinning that uses a ring spinning frame that drafts roving's fibers, prepared into loose strands ready for spinning where the fibers have been laid parallel to some extent, twists the yarn, and winds it on the bobbin continuously and simultaneously in one operation.